when I was 12 years old, there was this little girl. She was skinny. She had ratty hair. She had been through it. She stuck with me when I was incarcerated a couple times. And I knew she was there. I wouldn't be here without my wife, Maureen.
What happened?
Something happened.
Hey, I don't know what to do.
Am I okay?
You okay?
Am I okay?
You're okay. You're okay.
It's okay, baby. I love you.
No. Hey, it's just a little blood.
Layla,
Hey.
it's cold.
Hey, go.
It's cold. I can't go. I can't go.